Formal nang itinurn over kay Abdul Rauf Macacua ang posisyon at responsibilidad ng Interim Chief Minister ng BARMM ngayong araw. Pero sa turnover ceremony, hindi nakadalo si dating Interim Chief Minister Ahod Ibrahim. Si Senior Minister Abunawas Von Alhakmas Lamama ang humalili dito at nagpaabot ng kanyang mensahe. Ganap na alas 10 kaninang umaga nang simula ng turnover program kung saan isinagawa rin ni Macacua ang Oath of Moral Governance. Isinagawa ang turnover ngayong araw kasabay ng ika-11 anibersaryo ng Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. Ang detalye mula kay Naphtali Bendol.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will be witnessing the handover ceremony for the branch, which symbolizes the vast responsibility, powers, and duties transferred to the Interim Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Honorable Abdul Rauf Macacua.
Umukit ng panibagong kabanata sa kasaysayan ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao ang isinagawang Bangsamoro Leadership Turnover ngayong araw na ginanap sa Sharif Kabunsuan Cultural Complex. Pero hindi nakadalo si dating Interim Chief Minister Ahod Ibrahim. Si Senior Minister Abunawas Von Alhakmas Lamama ang humalili at nagpaabot ng kanyang mensahe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today marks another significant milestone in the Bangsamoro's quest for just and lasting peace. Not only that today is the 11th anniversary of the signing Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro or CAB. Today also marks a change of leadership in the Bangsamoro government. My time as your Chief Minister may have been come to an end, but my leadership did not begin, nor does it end here today. It was forged in decades of struggle, in the sacrifices of those who came before us, in the dreams of a people who forged or longed to reclaim the right to serve with determination. This government was not only built in a day, it was built on the blood, sweat, and unwavering faith of the Bangsamoro over decades of struggle for autonomy, justice, and self-determination. As I turn over the mantle of leadership, I do so with the certainty that our journey does not pause, nor does our responsibility wane. The work of building a just, peaceful, and self-reliant Bangsamoro continues. To my successor and my brother in the Bangsamoro struggle, Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Macacua, I entrust not only the office and not only the leadership as Chief Minister, but also the hopes of the people who have endured, resisted, and now stand ready to forge ahead. May we lead with wisdom, courage, and the unwavering commitment to moral governance that we vote to uphold. To the Bangsamoro people, this peaceful transfer of power manifests that the MI-led BARM is committed to sustaining the gains of the peace process and the development milestone that have collectively achieved over the past 6 years. As the chairman of the More Islamic Liberation Front, I shall continue to provide guidance to the government of the day as it navigates the last remaining chapter of the transition period. I may not be physically present today due to urgent matters of personal importance. But this does not diminish the spirit of and significance of this important event. I am confident that with the proven leadership of Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakua, the Bangsamoro government is in good hands. Let us support our new Chief Minister as he leads us all in continuing work our vision of an empowered, cohesive, and progressive Bangsamoro. It has been the greatest honor and privilege of my life to be working for the Bangsamoro people as your Chief Minister. Nilisan ko man ang office of Chief Minister, hindi dito nagtatapos ang aking pangakong pagsisilbihan, ang Bangsamoro. Let us remain steadfast in writing our narrative. Let us continue to work together, heal divisions, and forge a path where peace and development is an everyday reality in the Bangsamoro. And for the last time, as your outgoing Chief Minister, let us all continue to serve the Bangsamoro with pure hearts and sincere intentions.
Isinagawa rin ni Makakua ang Oath of Moral Governance na pinangasiwaan ng BARM Grand Mufti Abdul Rauf Gelani.
I, Rauf Makakua, swear to Almighty Allah, the most supreme, beneficent, the merciful, to all knowing. I shall perform my duties and responsibilities entrusted to me as part of the office of the Chief Minister,
Bangsamoro government
Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, with utmost dedication, devotion, honesty, justice, integrity, completely devoid of all the evils and governance, especially graft and corruption. I shall protect the legitimate rights and interests of all peoples in the area. Strongly fight the proliferation and use of illegal drugs and other evils on society. And endeavor to promote and sustain peace and security at all times in the BARM territory,
Bangsamoro Autonomous Region territory,
entire country.
So help me Allah.
Allahumma amin.
Kasunod ng aktibidad, mahigpit ang seguridad na ipinatupad sa lungsod ng Cotabato, partikular sa lugar papasok ng Bangsamoro Government Center. Ilang daan din ang pansamantalang isinara mula alas 8 kaninang umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali para matiyak ang maayos na daloy ng trapiko. March 12, 2025, nang manumpa kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. si Makakua bilang bagong Interim Chief Minister ng BARM. Sinundan naman ito ng panunumpa ng mga newly appointed members of Bangsamoro Transition Authority Parliament. Nauna nang isinagawa ni Makakua ang assumption to office noong nakaraang linggo. Naptali Bendol, iMinds Philippines.